Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance and click deposit, then choosing a crypto deposit and enter USDT, click. Choosing the Tron network and we get the QR code and the address to receive the USDT. If you have the opportunity to scan the QR code, then scan it and transfer it to this Binance wallet. If not, then copy the address and go to the wallet from which you need to transfer to Binance, for example Trust Wallet. We search for USDT and select. Click send and enter the copied address and the amount to transfer. Click next and confirm. That's all. The USDT has been sent and will be credited to the Binance wallet within 10 minutes. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.